In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So firstly, sign in your Instagram account, and after that, you need to click on your profile icon. In here, click on settings. Now click on privacy and security. Account privacy, private account. So if you want to make your this account is private, so check this box. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So it's quick and easy method to make Instagram account is private. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.